Meaning of dredge.
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 Dredge. The word dredge has multiple meanings, but one of its most common definitions refers to removing material from the bottom of a body of water in order to deepen or widen it. The process involves using a dredging machine to scoop up sediment, debris, and other materials from the bottom of a river, lake, or harbor. The result is typically a deeper channel that can accommodate larger vessels, improve navigability, or remove harmful contaminants from the water. Additionally, dredging can also be used as a method of land reclamation or to create new wetland habitats.